So, dear teachers, welcome to my online classes. Today we will review new mathematics textbook for 8th standard. From the current academic year, the government of Karnataka has adopted NCERT book for mathematics for 8th standard to ensure that the curriculum is on par with CBSE school. Already for 9th and 10th standard, we are using NCERT book. Now we'll move to the content part. There are total 16 chapters are there, which has been divided into two parts. So in part 1 we have 7 chapters. In part 1 we have total of 7 chapters. In part 2 we have 9 chapters. Now we'll move to the part 1 content. In part 1, moving to first chapter, playing with numbers. In this chapter we will explore numbers in detail and numbers in general form, solving puzzles and games on numbers, and few ideas which help in justifying the test of divisibility. Now chapter 2, rational numbers. We see basic operations on rational numbers. Also we try to explore some properties of rational numbers like commutative, associative and distributive property, and few problems on this property. Now the third chapter, linear equation in one variable. In this chapter we deal with linear equation in one variable and solving linear equation in one variable and some applications of this linear equations. Fourth chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. In this chapter we'll study about polygons and classification of polygons, then quadrilaterals and kinds of quadrilaterals with properties and problems on these properties. Fifth chapter, square and square root. In this chapter we'll study square numbers, then properties of square numbers, then pattern related to square numbers, then finding square of a number, then square root, finding square root by prime factorization method and division method and estimation method. Now sixth chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. In this chapter we learn about expression, terms, factors and coefficient, and monomial, binomial and polynomial, then like and unlike terms, basic operations on these terms. Next, identities, and we learn few identities here and application of these identities. In chapter 7, practical geometry, we see construction of quadrilaterals with based on some conditions. Construction of quadrilaterals based on different conditions and some cases. Now moving to part 2, we'll move to content section. We have total 9 chapters. So in part 2 we have total 9 chapters. The first chapter, cube and cube roots. In this chapter we'll study about cube numbers, then pattern of cube numbers, then cube root by prime factorization method. Next, second chapter, exponents and powers. Here in this chapter we'll study power with negative exponents and laws of exponents and problems on it and applications of laws of exponent. Third chapter, data handling. In this chapter we'll see representation of data graphically and types of graph like pictograph, bar graph and so many, and also we'll study organizing and grouping data in this chapter. At the last we'll study few concepts of probability also in this chapter. Now fourth chapter, direct and inverse proportion. In this chapter we'll study two concepts, direct and inverse proportion and problems based on that. Fifth chapter, introduction to graph. Again we'll study bar graph here, then histogram, line graph, then linear graph. So this in this chapter, the taught introduction of graphs, will try to construct these graphs: bar graph, histogram, line graph, and linear graph. Now, sixth chapter, factorization. Here we'll study factors of natural numbers, then factors of algebraic expression, and factorization by different method. Also, we study division of a polynomial by monomial. Now, seventh chapter, visualizing solid state. In this chapter, we'll study different types of shapes and two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Then Euler's formula. In eighth chapter, comparing quantities. In this chapter, we will learn ratios and percentages, then profit and loss, then compound interest and applications of compound interest. Chapter 9, mensuration. Here in this chapter we will study surface area and volumes of solids of cube, cuboid and cylinder, and also area of trapezium and area of quadrilaterals. So in this overall 16 chapters, it's very useful for the students as well as teachers. Thank you all. Happy teaching and happy learning.